Chapter 1, Learning Outcome 1.6, Types of Business Activities. We introduce to you 3 types of business activities: services, merchandising, and manufacturing. And here are some examples for each type. Services. This type of business is to provide services to customers and get paid for that. Local famous examples are Telekom Malaysia, Tenaga Nasional Berhad, Malaysian Airlines System, Bank Simpanan Nasional, Ampang Puteri Specialists, and etc. Merchandising. This type of business purchase inventories or goods from other businesses, such as from manufacturers or wholesalers, and sold them to the customers. Local famous examples are Tesco, Maidin, IKEA, Chinhin Motors, Agrobazar Kedai Rakyat, and etc. Manufacturing. This type of business purchase raw materials and change or process them into finished products and sold to the customers, either individual or other manufacturer. Local famous examples are Proton, Beras Faiza, Saji Cooking Oil, Nestle Berhad, Hewlett Packard Enterprise, and etc. Learning Outcome 1.7, Types of Financial Statements. The components of financial statements as stated in FRS 1 are Statement of Comprehensive Income or Statement of Profit or Loss, common name known as Income Statement, Statement of Owner's Equity, Statement of Financial Position, common name Balance Sheet, and Statement of Cash Flows. Statement of Comprehensive Income or Statement of Profit or Loss. It reports the financial performance of an entity over a specific accounting period. It contains information on revenues and expenses, including the net profit or loss of the business entity. There are several formats in reporting the revenue and expenses depending on the nature of business run by the entity. Here is the example of format for services business. And here is the example of format for merchandising business. Statement of Owner's Equity. It reports how the owner's equity has changed over the reporting period. It also reports how capital has increased through the net income and how it decreased through the net loss and drawings. This is the example of Statement of Owner's Equity. Please note that the capital for 1st January can also be written as beginning or opening capital, and capital for 31st December can be written as ending or closing capital. Statement of Financial Position. It is also known as balance sheet. It reports the financial position of a business entity on a specific date. normally at the end of each accounting period. It contains three main components, which are assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. At our level, the format is complied to the accounting equation, which is assets equals to liabilities plus owner's equity. And here is the example for statement of financial position. Please take note that total assets must be equal to total owner's equity plus liabilities. Thus, we can ensure that we have performed the task of recording and processing transaction information throughout the period correctly. Statement of cash flows. It is also known as cash flow statement. It presents the movement in cash flows over the period. It shows the inflow and the outflow of cash of an organization according to three main activities, which are operating, investing, and financing. And here is an example of a statement of cash flows. At this level, it is sufficient for you to just know about its uses and appearance. Learning Outcome 1.8. Professional Accounting Bodies in Malaysia. 1. Malaysian Accounting Standards Board, MASB. 2. Malaysian Institute of Accountants, MIA. 3. Malaysian Institute of Certified Public Accountants, MICPA. Malaysian Accounting Standards Board, MASB. It was established under the Financial Reporting Act 1997. The main functions are as listed below. To remember these listed functions better, please read them on your own pace thoroughly. You may pause the video if needed. Malaysian Institute of Accountants, or MIA. It was established under the Accountants Act 1967. The main functions are as listed here in 1, 2, and 3. To remember these functions better, please read them thoroughly. Malaysian Institute of Certified Public Accountants, or MICPA. It was formed as a professional body in 1958. The main functions are as listed here. To remember these functions better, please read them thoroughly. Learning Outcome 1.9. Potential Career in Accounting. Public Accounting. Careers in auditing, taxation, and management consulting, serving the general public. Private Accounting. Careers in industry, working in cost accounting, budgeting, accounting information systems, and taxation. Governmental Accounting. Careers with the IRS, the FBI, the SEC, public colleges and universities, and in state and local governments. Forensic Accounting uses accounting, auditing, and investigative skills to conduct investigations into theft and fraud. In Malaysian scenarios, in public sector, students from accounting field are eligible to apply suitable positions in most public service departments, especially in Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri, Jabatan Kastam, Jabatan Akauntan Negara, Jabatan Jenayah Perdagangan in PDRM, or any financial units in all government offices. Accounting skills needed here are management accounting, auditing, forensic accounting, cost accounting, taxation, budgeting, and accounting information system. Accounting students are also eligible to become accounting teachers in public schools or to become accounting lecturers in public universities. Potential career in accounting Malaysian scenarios. In private sector, students from accounting field have opportunities to participate in various positions such as public accountants, private accountants, external auditors, internal auditors, business consultants, tax consultants, managers, or administrative executives. This is because many companies worldwide are very keen to hire candidates with accounting skills and knowledge. Accounting students are also eligible to become accounting teachers in private schools or to become accounting lecturers in private universities. End of Chapter 1. Introduction to Accounting. Thank you.